Welcome to Finance, Food and Free Time. Today we're making a conch shell pasta with sage butter, goat's cheese, pine nuts, sweet potato. This whole meal can be ready in under 15 minutes. Just get on a pan of salted boiling water and throw in a good amount of pasta. Then get all the ingredients prepped. I've got this rubbish goat's cheese today because that's what Tesco sends. Normally I'd get some decent soft one, but we'll have to work with this. Chopping with one hand ain't easy, so let's focus on the good ingredients like the Parmesan. Shave up some of that and stick on a sweet potato for 4 to 5 minutes in the microwave. This is a quick meal that I like to make for lunch or pre-football, but it's quite a tasty meal and it's easy to make and packs a lot of flavour. I was filming with one hand, so I'd ideally try and dice the sweet potato a little smaller than I have done here. Once the pasta is ready, strain off some water and keep it for later. Just using the same pan once it's dry, throw in some pine nuts. I'm going to lightly toast them just to bring the flavour out. Now chuck in some butter, a splash of olive oil, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of dried sage. If you have fresh sage, it's even better. Let that infuse for a minute or so. Once that's ready, place the pasta in and coat it all evenly. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. Put in about half the goat's cheese, half the pine nuts, and all the sweet potato. Add in a splash of the old cooking water that we've saved to the side. The starchy water is going to help dissolve the cheeses and create a really nice texture. Parmesan. The idea here is that we're going to get everything dissolved and get the conch shells filled up with these great flavours. The toasted pine nuts add a really nice extra texture. I've got this on a low to medium heat and it's all starting to come together. You can add in a splash more water if required, just to help bring everything together and get everything evenly coated. I'm awkwardly filming with one hand today, so I couldn't film twisting in some fresh ground black pepper. But here I am throwing in a little bit of salt to taste. And it's as simple as that. Now I just like to plate it up, add in a bit more Parmesan, kind of layer it up with some goat's cheese, which melts with the heat of the pasta and creates these little flavoursome bombs. If you hate goat's cheese, feta would probably work here, but I'd really recommend sage, goat's cheese, sweet potato works like a charm together. Just add in some more pine nuts, some more bits of goat's cheese, build it up, maybe a little sprinkling of salt and pepper and a drizzle more olive oil, and then you're ready to go. Bon appetit! If you got to the end of this, thank you very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you made this or if you think it looks nice. And if you fancy, hit subscribe. I'll get some more videos out on a variety of things. Thanks very much. Catch you for the next one.